This is the new Surface Pro, a 2-in-1 with the new Snapdragon X2 Elite chip. This could be your perfect portable device. Now, straight out of the box, it's that classic Surface experience that you would expect. It's clean, premium, and minimal. Now, if I pull the device up, you've got that screen cover just on the front that peels off so smoothly. And in here, you might notice you've got your paperwork, but there are no chargers, just like the Surface laptop video. The charger isn't included with this model because Surface is taking a more sustainable approach. It gives you the flexibility to choose the charging options that work best for you. It keeps the packaging cleaner, lighter, and it fits the whole design ethos of the Surface Pro line. The Surface Pro keeps that iconic magnesium-inspired design. Everything feels refined, slim bezels, sharp lines. Now, the Surface Pro 13-inch comes in 3 colors. Now, I have the black version here, but it also comes in platinum and dune. Now, I'm going to pair a keyboard to it because remember, this is a 2-in-1, so the keyboard is left up to you as to which version that you want and which one you want to go with. The build quality is exactly what you'd expect from a Surface Pro. It's lightweight, it's rigid, and it's incredibly portable. It's the kind of device that you can carry around all day without even thinking about it. And the flexibility is still unmatched. It's a laptop when you need it, it's a tablet when you want it, and the kickstand is as solid as ever for when you want to annotate notes or do sketches. The display is a big highlight as well. You've got that 13-inch Pixel Sense Flow display with sharp resolution, a smooth refresh rate, and that signature 3:2 aspect ratio. Now, if you've never used a 3:2 aspect ratio before, it genuinely makes a difference. You've got more vertical space, more room for multitasking, more for your timeline or your web page without scrolling. This screen is impressive. It's bright, it's color accurate, responsive, and it supports the Surface Slim Pen 2, which feels incredible with great low latency and precision. And as soon as you switch on or log in, you get that classic Surface experience. It's clean, it's uncluttered, nothing unnecessarily launching. It's Windows as designed. And if you want anything else to run on boot, then that's completely your call. It sets the tone straight away. You're starting with a clean foundation and you can build your setup your way. Now, inside the Surface Pro 13-inch, it's running the Snapdragon X2 Elite chip with a 12-core CPU, Adreno graphics, and a powerful NPU delivering up to 80 TOPS, which makes it part of those Copilot+ PCs. And honestly, the performance is impressive. It runs cool, it's silent, and it feels incredibly responsive. Whether you're multitasking, editing photos, sketching, working on presentations, or even doing some light gaming, it handles it all with ease. And because it's fanless, you don't get that noise, just smooth, consistent performance. Battery life is another standout. Depending on your workload, you'll easily get all-day battery life. Maybe more if you're doing lighter tasks. It's the kind of device you don't consistently think about charging, which is exactly what you want from something this portable and flexible. Then port selection-wise, you've got 2 USB-Cs on the side and a Surface Connect port on the other side for those Surface accessories you might already have, or if you've already got a Surface charger. Then on the bottom, you've got the connection ports for the type cover of your choice for the Surface Pro 13-inch. Now, as it's a 2-in-1, it allows you to pick the type cover that works for you. And with the Surface Pro Flex keyboard, which now comes in June, it's genuinely impressive. It's more stable, more rigid, and feels closer to a laptop keyboard than ever before. The haptic trackpad is smooth, accurate, and easily one of the best on any 2-in-1. And if you're someone that uses Pro as your main machine, this keyboard upgrade makes a massive difference. You're also getting all of those Windows AI experience powered by the NPU. Windows Studio Effects, Instant Wake, Recall, Co-Creator, and all the new Copilot+PC features that are designed to speed up your workflow. The Surface Pro feels properly future-ready, not just in performance, but in how it integrates into real-world tasks. So that's the new Surface Pro 13-inch. It's lightweight, it's flexible, powerful, and more refined than ever. And if you want a device that can be a laptop or a tablet or a creative studio all in one with impressive performance and all-day battery life, this is a seriously strong option. Ciao.